We've already seen the Pixel 8 getting unboxed in the previous video, and now we have the Obsidian Pixel 8 Pro being unboxed. Both of these unboxings came directly from PBK Reviews, so it's quite clear they got their hands on a couple of units ahead of time. The unboxing experience doesn't really look any different from any recent Pixel device, with the USB-A to USB-C adapter included, as well as the USB-C to USB-C cable and some paperwork. But what we do see with the Pixel 8 Pro here is that the back is indeed matte. That was a big rumor over the last few weeks, and it definitely looks to be true. That means that fingerprints might not be an issue this year. Thank goodness for that. The leaks for the new Google Pixel 8 series have been coming in fast and furious over the past week, and now we have the Pixel 8 Pro being unboxed 2 full days ahead of the actual event. While we have the unboxing here now, the actual device won't be made official until Wednesday. That is when Google is holding its launch event in New York City for the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2. The event will take place at 10 a.m. ET. It should be a pretty short keynote, but we'd still expect it to take about an hour. And then we expect to see pre-orders open up after the event, likely around noon ET, with the devices shipping out a week later. This is how Google has done its launch events the past few years, so it's unlikely that it would change. While you have seen just about everything about these devices in the leaks here, it's likely that there are still some surprises left. Also, we have the news related to the pre-order deals of the Pixel 8 Pro. The well-known tipster Ishan Agarwal shared on X that Pixel 8 pre-order perks won't be exclusive to the US market. In some European countries, pre-ordering the Pixel 8 Pro might snag you a free Pixel Watch 2. Earlier rumors indicated that in the US, pre-ordering a Pixel 8 Pro would score you a free Pixel Watch 2, and for the Pixel 8, you get the Pixel Buds Pro. So it wouldn't be surprising if the same deal applies in Europe. The tipster didn't specify the countries, but the offer will likely extend to all countries when the phones will be officially available. Comments under the tipster's post suggest that the deal might also be available in Taiwan. So it won't be surprising if all Pixel 8 pre-orders worldwide come with some freebies. So are you excited for the Google Pixel 8 Pro? Comment below. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.